Amongst those birds seen most frequently in Guyana is the cattle egret, which gathers impressively in large group in treetop as night falls. Its big brother, the giant white heron, is considered an endangered species in many parts of Europe and North America, but not here in Guyana, where population has been stable over the years despite of infrastructural and industrial development. Guyanese people are bird lovers. This giant macaw parrot is a natural inhabitant of Guyana forests, as it is a faithful friend to humans as a pet. His green compatriot is known to be one of the most talkative of all birds. The most beautiful and pristine wildlife can be found almost everywhere in Guyana, in the coastal wetlands, where ducks and water birds build their nests, protected from the harm caused by humans, as well as in the towering treetop canopies of its endless rainforests. Maybe nowhere else in the world have birds the true chance to live their lives literally as free as a bird in the sky, because it is here that birds control the skies of Guyana.